How to find product announcements and feedback notification settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find product announcements and feedback notification settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite, and here you will find your profile in bottom corner. Click on it and then click this three line in the top corner, and here you will find settings, and then click notifications, and here you will find from Instagram. Then just scroll down until you find it, product announcements and feedback, and as you see here you can manage it, and that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.